But once I started learning from you the basics, which is important, how to analyze a stock, how to see uh, its financials, how to see its scope of development in the future, what stage of it is there. Those things can be, I mean, the way you have taught us, they are not very difficult. So that process gives confidence. Now, this year, I would like to invest another 1.5 lakhs. Now,
Very
hopefully, there will be much better stocks I will select. That's good scope, as I said. Even if we make 50% right selection, because of the momentum which you are saying, 10 years momentum, you will get a good.
yeah,
And as we learn, you'll be much more knowledgeable. Knowledge is very important. What you're telling is knowledge is money.
correct.
It's otherwise if you are and you should get confidence. You will get confidence only because of knowledge. नहीं तो किसी को गाली देंगे तपन साहब को देंगे नहीं तो और किसी को देंगे that is not their mistake. It is you're not put effort, right? In the
Correct. Correct.
first lesson you told us is if you don't put your effort in whatever earning you have made, hard-earned money of 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, what you made, if you're not putting effort, and when you go to Tarkari buying 5 rupees, 10 rupees, you are so careful. That is the lesson what you taught us, and that is what